Hi, we're going to plant corn this afternoon. We are planting about 6 different varieties in our field today, and we're choosing a organic white, organic yellow, a fun multicolor, and several varieties of popcorn. If you're going to plant corn, the most important thing to consider is planting your corn in blocks instead of rows. Corn is wind pollinated, and when you plant in a block, whichever way the wind flows will push the corn pollen into the air and into your block of corn instead of only east-south, east-west, or north-south. As always, I take my tag and I marked the end of my rows. You may have noticed in previous videos, I put my tag backwards up against the side of a bed or post. The reason I do that is so that the sun does not fade the printing, the writing on the other side of the tag. I generally use pencil because it is fade resistant, where Sharpie markers unfortunately will fade too quickly in the sun and you'll lose track of what you've planted. Starting at the very end of my row, I'm going to plant my corn. Each row 3 feet apart, the corn planted 12 to 18 inches apart inside of each row. This corn was started several weeks ago in our greenhouse. Corn does germinate very well outside and in the ground, but in our Pacific Northwest climate here, it's nice to get a jump start on the season. Here we are moving on to our next row, 3 feet apart from our previous row, still planting 12 inches between plants to create our block for wind pollination. Thanks for watching. I'm Jessica with Hobart Farms Nursery.